Hello friends, today let us meet the world's smallest drone. That is what the company says. They claim that they have even got Guinness World Record for making the tiniest drone. This has no camera, no fancy features like gyroscope, no GPS, nothing. It is meant for mainly indoor flying. Of course, you can fly it outdoors as well. It's extremely lightweight. You can see it is easily sitting on the top of my palm. As you can see, the red LEDs indicate the rear and the blue ones indicate the front. So after turning on, all you have to do is just turn on the remote. The solid green light indicates that now the quadcopter is paired and it is ready to fly. So as you can see, it's the easiest way to fly this is with the head forwards and you being on the back side. It is easy to control. You can see the charging slot here, this tiny charging slot. You can see the board, the Hubsan branding, and you can charge it using this tiny USB charger, using any power brick or wall adapter. So one more thing, this is not a toy, so don't try to give it to your young ones without supervision, because these blades, which are really sharp when they are rotating, can cause some serious injury, especially if they come near your eyes. So be careful. And one of the best makers of drones is DJI from China. Similarly, Hubsan is also a reliable brand from China. They make mostly toy grade quadcopters or drones. I bought this few years back. This is still available, but it is difficult to get it now in the market because of the restrictions. Because of the newly imposed restrictions on drones or quadcopters, even the toy grade items are hard to find. But if you go through their site, you can see they are even making this right now. And also you can find similar models and better ones, especially Hubsan X4, which is really good one. It is larger than this one. Even you can try it outdoors. You can do flip and maneuvers like that if you are trying it outside. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support.